Once again, I found a good and awesome gadget from Aliexpress, and it costs from $1 to $5, depends in which country you are living. And what is it? It's a motorcycle LED tail light warning flash strobe light charging signal lamp, USB, rechargeable, 6 modes, colorful, for car, for Jeep, for ATF, for whatever you want. I found it interesting, and that's why I ordered it and I got it, of course. And no bubbles. Okay, be calm. Oh, many stuff in the package. Okay, we have 2 zip ties. Okay, this is warning logos, short USB Type-C cable for charging. What is this? Instruction manual. This is some kind of cleaning. Okay, and 2 self-adhesive pieces, so you can attach this thing to whatever surface you want. Okay. Oh, we have a holder. And what I see? A solar panel. Oh, what it says in the description. Is it solar? Yes, it says solar charging. I missed that. Sorry. So besides that you can charge with the Type-C cable, this is solar charger device. How many cells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 0.5, 3.5 volts. Oh, 8 times 0.5, 4 volts. That is enough for charging the... Here it is, the lithium battery. But in the description it doesn't say how many milliamperes. So I need to open it. And take a look again with this foam for protecting the power button. Ah, I hate these things. Oh, let's remove it. I'm gonna spray it with WD-40. Some of you comment in my previous videos that is better for pulling out and for cleaning. Let's do that. Okay, little bit from all sides. It's helping. Nope. Take a look at that adhesive. Okay. WD-40. Oh yes, it's much better using WD-40 to remove this thing. Alright. Nice and clean. WD-40. Great job. Okay, let's power up. And this is the first mode. Flashing blue, red, green. And now it's on auto, I think. We have this. The second one is police lights, blue and red. This is flashing all the LEDs at the same time for every 2 seconds. This is rotating LEDs, also flashing but with the same speed. And what is this? Different patterns for blinking, different modes. Beautiful. Let's see that in darkness. It's super bright. You can see it. Alright. I love it. This is a great gadget to put on your bicycle and to be spotted by everyone. It's like a safety feature gadget. I love it, and it's a solar powered. How to turn it off? Just holding and turning on. With 2 speeds you activate this blue, but what does it mean? Red, blue, red. Oh, it got the night sensor too. Look. When it detects darkness, it will automatically turn on for flashing. Nice feature, I love it. Beside the power button, on the side we have only the charging port, and using my USB doctor or USB wattmeter, I'm gonna see with how many milliamperes is charging this thing. And also we have a red light, meaning charging 400 milliamperes. That is good or bad, depends on the capacity of this battery. Let's check that. I tried to open and it doesn't have screws. This thing is sealed. It will be difficult to open. I'm gonna open it for you. I need to use a hammer, and this thing will break the plastic, but what to do? I'm doing this just for you, and it's pretty good sealed and glued. And so far I didn't find any gadget that is sealed so good. This is amazing. You can see the cracks. Oh. Tight! Oh, I think I did it. Ooh. Take a look. Alright. Can I pull out this? No, the button is also sealed. Oh my god. Let's try to. This is super glued. Oh, okay. And what it says? 3.7 volts, 350 milliamperes, 1.295 watt hours, and charging with 400 milliamperes. I don't know, what do you think? Please comment below with how many milliamperes need to be charged this kind of battery. By the way, the solar panel is beautiful. I do not have this kind of solar panel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cells from beginning to the start. 9 cells times 0.5, 4.5 volts, and that is enough for charging the lithium battery. Some kind of integrated circuit for controlling the RGB LEDs, the Type-C port, and that is pretty much. Okay, but how much is giving the solar panel? Let's check that. I'm gonna desolder the red wire or positive side from solar panel. Come on, yes. And with multimeter we're gonna measure the current that is giving the solar panel. With my flashlight I will simulate a solar light, and my multimeter is set on amperes, and measuring a little bit here. How much? 3.5. Let's go this way. one. Let's go closer. 6.1. Let's add one more light. 6.7. This way. No, that is worse. Around 7 milliamperes. 7 milliamperes of power. Okay, I put the wire back. And is it working? Yes. Ooh. Nice. I love LED gadgets. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!